Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a safe work zone and immediately testing the liquid. This tells you how reactive the finish will be. Apply a tiny amount to the test spot with the applicator and wait 1 to 3 minutes. Note color change. Once done, dab gently with a cotton swab to check removal. If the test passes, proceed to the main edge. Make sure to keep a damp cloth and neutralizer ready. This prevents overaction and protects the surrounding surface. You now work methodically along the edge. Apply the liquid in 10 to 15 cm segments so you can control reaction time. Press lightly and move in small circular motions for about 20 to 40 seconds. This loosens the white edge without damaging the base. Once the mark lifts, blot the area with the damp cloth to remove residue, then neutralize according to product instructions. If some white remains, wait until fully neutralized before a second. Targeted application to avoid overprocessing. You finish by thoroughly rinsing and neutralizing the treated edge, then drying with a soft cloth to check results in even light. If faint residues remain, do small touch-ups with a swab rather than redoing large areas. This minimizes risk. If you see discoloration or surface dulling, stop immediately, neutralize and rinse, then let it dry before reassessing. One key tip: if anything looks wrong, pause and contact the product helpline or a pro. Acting too fast often makes repair harder.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.